Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to see how to fix Walmart app not letting you add items. Go to Walmart app and then check the order to edit time window. Walmart allows you to add or edit items on pickup and delivery orders only up to 3 hours and 15 minutes before your scheduled time slot starts. Use the correct process to add items. Go to account and select purchase history in the Walmart app. Find your existing order and look for an edit items or add to order up. If no option appears, it means the order is locked or the order cannot be added. Some items, especially marketplace or third-party seller items, cannot be added to existing Walmart orders. Call customer service or local store if you believe you are within the edit window but cannot add items.